Hi, today for a few Motorola Razr 2022 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration just to change the media, call, ringtone, notification and alarm volumes. We should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots. If you want to use the Dolby items on your device, click on this section. Just okay, and here we can learn more about this or to change the settings. If you want to turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, you can make it here. Just to turn it on or turn it off, you should click on this button. If you want to allow the calls and notifications for many people apps, so you can make it here. And if you want to set the schedule, so the start and the end time, just click here and add the schedule. Just to change the duration for quick settings and to display options for hiding notifications, we should use these two sections. If you wanna just use the crystal toggle here or multi-volume settings, just change them here in these sections. To use them, you should use the switchers. To change the ringtone, phone ringtone for scene 1 and scene 2, we can make it here. If you wanna use the live caption, just tap here and use the switcher. To use the media in to pin media player and to show media recommendations, we should use the switchers. So let's go back to turn on or turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing. Click to the switcher, and to change the notification and alarm sounds, we should make it here. And if you want to turn on or turn off the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibrations, so we should click on each of the switchers. So just to pick up device to silence, click here and tap the switchers. Just to flip also for device for D&D mode, we should use the switcher here and media controls. So just to change, for example, the tracks, you should also use the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.